This is it, guys. This is where the dream begins. And right now we're gonna paint, and yeah, I'll see you guys after the painting, and I'll tell you the rest of the stuff.
Much later.
Check this out, guys. Santa Claus is here. We have this nice tire changer. Yes, we have the tire changer. We have the car lift here, and on the other side we have the wheel balancer. So it's time to unload all this stuff, and then we can keep moving. Let's go, let's go. Dove cazzo stiamo andando?
Gira, gira, gira!
Occhio alla roba di plastica.
Quanto peso ce la fai? Lì è pesante, raga, andate qui. La facciamo?
Via! Sì, sì.
Vai. Qua.
6.
Ce la fate?
Sì.
Troppo? Troppo? Ok, vediamo,
Aspetta.
Alziamo. Buono, dai. Ci siamo? Vai, fai così.
Si vola.
Fai così,
Crampa, crampa.
Ok, andiamo più avanti. Più attaccato possibile alla colonna, distruzione dietro, piedi, giù.
Much later.
Okay, guys! So we fixed the base of the car lift. We have the two towers, the one with the engine on, the electric engine, and the normal one. The electrical engine will move this gear, which will move the chain. Both the towers will move at the same speed. So we'll just keep mounting this, and we'll see how it's gonna come at the end. A tre lanciatela a qualcuno. Va bene. Uno. Come a qualcuno? A chiunque.
In avanti, raga.
2, 3.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
No, mi sono preso.
No, che merda, bastardo. E se dobbiamo lanciare a me?
Io tutte e tre.
Che merda.
No.
Questo si è rotto, bastardo.
Ma ti ha fatto male?
No, tu no, no,
Ti ha fatto male.
Allora, io mi sono girato, ho visto arrivare, poi ho sentito un altro arrivare da lì.
Much later.
We got a situation. We borrowed this little toy because, guys, we had a problem a couple months ago. A wind came and it raised all the tires on the ceiling. So now we need to adjust that. We already moved all the cars outside. Now we need to adjust the tiles, give a clean, and then I'm gonna show you. We gave ourselves a little gift for painting. You're gonna see it right away. Okay, guys, I arrived to my job. Beep, 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 mofo. No, non ancora, aspetta. No, non sei lontano, vai tra. Forklift simulator in the house. Let's go, baby. Okay. Let's go. Ah, yeah. We exchange the position. Jobs. Ma stai scherzando?
Ma stai scherzando?
Ok. Sì. Mi sa che devono... Come? Ciola. Nocciola. Nocciola, sì. Ah, così, ok. Ah, ok. This is so pretty. Oh, what is this? Ho trovato una tegola, to. Ci vuole buono. Ups. Ho rischiato, meglio non dirtelo. Meglio che non hai guardato, se no ti veniva l'infarto. Fa schifo sto posto. Se vieni qua ti viene una malattia. To the moon! Vai, brother, tutto indietro.
Ero convinto fosse vuoto.
Sinistra, tutto a sinistra. Ancora un po' a sinistra. Now let's unbox this bad boy and see what we have in. Blower!
Blower. Due air blower.
Two air blowers.
Blower job.
Air blowers. Porco
Facciamo
zio.
la presentazione. Emitex.
Mettiamole qua. Tieni giù scatola, cazzo! Cazzo! Vado! Ok. Grave.
Madò.
Other instructions. Santa Claus came again. Oh, io lo spoglio! So chiudo box. Alzamelo da sotto. Vai. Vai. Voilà.
No, si strappa.
La 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 la. Troppo pesante, basta.
Santa Claus is getting back pain. Titolo della critica. Ma mettiamo...
Holy shit, it's so long. Oh Dio. Guys, it's so freaking long. Usare questa come... Mica raga, quanto cazzo è larga. No, perché si deve gonfiare. Stai scherzando? Aiuto ragazzi! Stai scherzando? Hello? Hello? Bellissimo. Bellissimo, mamma mia. Vedo anche stata con le curve, qualche cosa ce la facciamo sempre vicino. Guys, we finally managed to blow the painting booth. We have all the cars in here. We have the Skyline. We have the S13 with the engine bay freshly just painted by our little friend that's hiding behind the Ponticello with its engine ready to go in. Forged the CA18. Then we have the we have the nice Civic here. We have the DD16 high compression engine, made by Klolich Cross Stitch right there. Then we have the BMW, the wide body kit BMW turbo. We have the Lexus right here, ES200. Also, this is turbo, also Ali's car. But I want to show you the engine bays of these cars and tell you a bit more about them. You already know the Sky. It's pretty stock, forged engine. This is the next car that we're gonna work on. It's gonna take some time because I am out of money right now. So we have the Sky R33 GTST. This one is a forged engine, pretty basic on the outside, pretty stock around. We just have stage 2 clutch kit. We have upgraded the radiator. Right now it's running 0.5 bars. We need to upgrade that. I have something that you're gonna see later. A big upgrade for this engine. If you want to follow us, guys, this is the next car that I'm going to be working on. So subscribe if you want to see stuff going on this car. It's going to take some time because the pieces on this are really expensive on the RB25. So now we have the S13 here with its little engine here, CA18 that forged engine. This is going to go in very, very soon. So if you guys want to see this, let me know down in the comments what you want to see more. So here we have the Civic. So we have the D16, one single cam, high compressed engine, around 160 horsepower, really, really fun to drive. If you guys want to see content about this, let me know. No, now let's step on to the next car. Well, you know this car. Most of the videos on my channel are about this car. So we have the turbo here. We still need to do a lot of things around, but it's basically working. The boost is in, I think around 200 horsepower or something. So also wide body kit, sedan, 4 doors, really, really well made. You guys should definitely check my channel if you want to see this car, how it has been built. Now, last but not least, turbo Lexus ES200. This engine had quite a bit of issue, and you're gonna see it on this channel later as well. So if you guys want to see any content about these cars and you want to support us, hit to subscribe and comment and everything. I forgot about the paint booth. Damn, shame on me. We bought it from AliExpress. It's really, really well made. 850 euros. It's freaking huge, guys. It's like 9 meters, 4 meters, and 3.5 meters in height. We have 2 engines there that are blowing. Guys, I want to show you the view from upstairs.
Right now, I have a sense of responsibility that I never had in my life, because I'm going to lift this big boy, and
to the moon!
Hopefully it's going well.
I have been lifted quite a lot lately.
3, 2, 1, take off. Oops.
Non me lo attacchi, no?
Okay.
Sì, I'm ready.
Cosa hai visto? Sul soffitto?
Un insetto gigante. It's beautiful. Not risky at all. This is so safe. Do not try this at home. Only done by professional idiots like us. Okay guys, I'm very, very scared right now, but I'm doing this for you, so please subscribe! Oh! Hopla! Okay. Oh. This is the view from, I think you're already seeing it. Please tell me you're seeing it, because I cannot see it. If I move, I'm gonna die. See? This is the view! Subscribe, please! Please subscribe to my channel.
So please,
Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's been a long video because it's been done for like 9 months or so. It's since we got here, so it's all the process that, you know. We got the car lifter that I'm on right now, as you can see. We have the paint booth, all the cars around, so we cleaned everything. We moved all the tools in, so that's why this video has been like gone for like the last month. So hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you want to see more and support us, like and everything. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next adventure. On the far right. Wow. Now let's go down, please. I'm dying, please. I'm scared.
Scendo.
Sì. Wow.